In today's video, I am going to teach you how to craft a dried ghast in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide. To begin, make sure you have all of the required materials ready in your inventory. You will need 8 ghast tears and 1 block of soul sand. Before you open the crafting interface, take a moment to confirm that you have the correct amounts. The recipe will only work if all 8 ghast tears are available along with the single soul sand block. Once your materials are ready, go to a crafting table and open it. This will bring up the standard 3x3 crafting grid. The dried ghast recipe needs to be placed in a very specific pattern, so it is important to use the crafting table and not a smaller inventory crafting grid. Now place the soul sand in the exact center slot of the 3x3 grid. This is the middle space with 1 row above it, 1 row below it, and 1 slot on each side. The soul sand acts as the core of the recipe, so make sure it is positioned directly in the center before adding anything else. After that, take your ghast tears and place them in every remaining slot around the soul sand. You will use all 8 ghast tears here. Put 1 in the top left, 1 in the top middle, and 1 in the top right. Then place 1 in the middle left and 1 in the middle right. Finish by placing 1 in the bottom left, 1 in the bottom middle, and 1 in the bottom right. At this point, the soul sand should be completely surrounded on all sides by the ghast tears. If the recipe is arranged correctly, the dried ghast will appear in the result slot of the crafting table. Once you see it, select the dried ghast and move it into your inventory. This completes the crafting process. If the item does not appear, check the placement again carefully. The soul sand must stay in the center slot, and all 8 surrounding spaces must contain ghast tears. Even one missing or misplaced item will prevent the recipe from working. That is the full process for crafting a dried ghast in Minecraft 26.1.2. Gather 8 ghast tears and 1 soul sand. Open a crafting table. Place the soul sand in the center, surround it with ghast tears, and then move the crafted dried ghast into your inventory. That covers everything you need to know.